Hey there, crew. If you're anything like me, you probably have a boatload of stickers that you've been collecting over the years, maybe stuffing into a folder, maybe you tried to organize it at one time, but it's not quite working out. I just had that happen to me and I decided I needed to get control of the sticker situation and find the right solutions for the stickers versus just shoving them into a folder. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you how I used to organize my stickers and then show you how I ended up solving the solution by using recommendations from the community to help me find the best products that hopefully will be helpful for you as well. So we'll have to start at the very beginning, which is this monster folder of just all the stickers I could ever think of. See, this is why I needed sticker storage solutions. The problem is that not everything fit perfectly into this size. As you can see here, I used to actually take some cards and tape them inside of here to put them in. Other things just got shoved inside, just wasn't great. So the first thing I did is I just had to organize and understand what size stickers I had to understand what was the most common size that I had. So when I did this, I found out that most of the stickers that I had were about a 5x7 size. After that, I discovered that I had a good amount of these like 4x7, these long sticker sheets. A lot of these coming from like Midori or other Japanese stationery shops that I was buying from. They just kind of all fit inside of that size, so I knew I needed to solve for that as well. And then I just had these odd-shaped, oversized ones, big lettering sheets, things like that. And I wasn't so much worried about those because I already had that huge binder already, but I do know that I need to organize it somehow. The other thing I had to consider is that I've used a number of these sticker sheets already. In many cases, half or more of the actual sheet itself. So why was I going to try to store something that was almost gone? And was there an option for me to use where I could save them in a different way? And I'm glad to say that I found something very cool. So the first thing I did is I asked the community. This planner community is so amazing. We have so many great ideas and want to share the information too. And so I got some really great recommendations, specifically from two of my favorite planner people. The first person that reached out to me was Kelsey from Kelsey Doodles, and she shared some really great links and options for me to use with storing my stickers. So her solution for the 5x7, that common sticker size that I had, was a 3-ring binder using the plastic zipper pouches. Luckily, I was able to find these online, get them shipped to me pretty quickly, and I thought I was gonna really like them, but after trying them out, they didn't quite work out for me. I found that the zippers weren't exactly awesome, and it could totally be the quality of the zipper pouch that I bought, but also I didn't like the way the stickers fit inside of there. It was a little bit too close for comfort, and I didn't really feel like it was making anything smaller. In fact, I kind of felt like it added a bit of bulk to my collection, and I knew that I had a ton of these 5x7 sizes, and it wasn't gonna quite work out. So while her first suggestion didn't work out perfectly for what I was looking for, her second suggestion for those 4x7 or taller stickers was using one of these portfolio notebooks. Now this is very similar to what I already had, but it is specifically made for those taller stickers. What I loved about this is that I can easily slip them in here. They're just the top drop in, and I can put them front and back. So really I'm getting like double the amount of space for each of those pages. Now I ended up getting these from Amazon. I'll put the links for you down in the descriptions below, but 2 of these notebooks came as a part of this, and it has 50 pages in it. So you can get a whole lot of stickers front and back for a really great price, and honestly, a great solution. And I also like that it's see-through a little bit. It kind of reminds me, yeah, Mark, you got stickers in there. So we had a great solution for those tall stickers, and I love the way that looks. But we still had a problem for those 5x7 stickers that I have a whole crap ton of, and didn't really have a solution just yet. So this is where my friend Elizabeth from the Joyful Soldierin came in, and she recommended the best solution, and I'm so excited to share this one with you. So she introduced me to Poi and Hun. At first glance, I was like, oh gosh, we're dealing with discs. Is this something that I want to do? Because I've already done disc planning before and didn't find a true love for it. However, it makes a whole lot of sense for sticker storage. What I loved about this brand is that they already had a solution basically put together for you. It includes the disc that you need, it has plastic front and back covers for this, and they had a bunch of sizes, so I was able to pick what I wanted here. Elizabeth was great. She really held my hand the whole way through. She was like, here's exactly what you need, Mark. Go ahead and get this kit. It's called the OG. That's the size that you want, and you want the side-loading 5x7 pages. So I bought it right away. I said, okay, I'm just gonna get it and see how it works out. And let me just tell you, it has been the most awesome solution ever. A Discbound system is easy to put together, right? You're just clipping things onto these discs as you're going through. The photo pages or the sticker pages were easy to put inside of there, and again, they're side loading, so I could easily take any of my stickers, stick them right in the side, front and back, and just keep going with it. And what I really love is that as I'm adding to this collection, I can always insert pages or move them around a little bit, and that way I can do my best to organize them by company or type or theme. It's really up to me on how I want to do it, and I don't have to take everything out of sleeves and then reorder them again. It really was fantastic. Now, what I wasn't expecting was to fill it up as quickly as I did. See, when I got these rings, I only got the 1-inch rings, and I thought, that's gonna be plenty of space. And after filling up with just a small collection of my stickers, using every single page that I bought, it got a little bit thick. Now, luckily, I'm a stationery hoarder, and I remembered that I had some really big discs from a previous Discbound adventure that I had, so I was able to use those and move everything over from the smaller disc book and just make it into a much bigger book. On top of that, I ordered 3 more packs of these refills because I knew that I was going to be adding more to my collection, and it just so happened to be that while I was doing this work, I found another album that I had filled with more stickers that I didn't remember that I had. So luckily, by having this expandable solution, I was able to fit those in there, and it worked out great. So far, we were able to solve 2 of my 3 problems for this organization. I found my solution for the tall, skinny stickers that I had. I found the solution for the 5x7 stickers that I have. But what do I do about all those extra sticker sheets that have only a handful of stickers left on them? I don't want to take up space inside of these albums for a sticker sheet that has like 2 or 3 stickers on it. So this is where the community comes in again to save the day, and a number of people reached out and they said, Mark, you need to get yourself a sticker keeper book. What? Doing a little bit of searching online, a sticker keeper book essentially is an album that has easy release pages that you can stick your stickers onto. It's a weird concept to me because I thought, well, everything's just going to get stuck to these, but it's really just a coded page that you can stick your stickers onto and kind of create your own sticker sheet, so to say, and then easily remove them whenever you want to use them. It is a fantastic solution for anything that you might have a little bit extra of. So I went ahead and I purchased one for myself to give it a try, and it's been awesome. What I loved about this solution, it was a ringed option here. You can buy extra pages and move them around if you need to, but I was able to store so many extra stickers that I had that were part of almost used sheets. This saved me a lot of space inside of my other solutions, and it also just gives me a really great way to go ahead and look at these stickers whenever I might have an idea for them. I might go and create some type of cataloging system just to know the stickers that I have. It's like with anything, eventually you just have too much and you have no way to know unless you actually spend the time to organize and do that. Now, I already have my stationery cataloging that I've done for my fountain pens and for my inks and for my notebooks. I've dabbled in starting to do a little bit of cataloging for my stamp collection, but stickers might make sense. And that way, depending on the theme, I can just type in a tag or a word and populate what I might already have. But that's a future me problem. Right now, we're just solving for the sticker storage. The last thing that we needed to solve for was just for these big, huge sticker sheets that didn't really fit in any of the other solutions. And I already had this from my previous organization, and they fit in there just fine. So I'm also going to keep this for all the tall things that just don't fit into the other sizes. It might seem a little counterintuitive to go from having one big sticker book with a ton of stuff inside of it to essentially having 4 sticker books now, but in my mind, it makes a lot of sense because I can organize them by size, I can organize them by type, I'll know where to go now to get those. For the most part, I can remember that I might have a sticker that might work inside of there, or sometimes I'm just looking for inspiration. I can just grab one of these books, open it up, find something that I like, and then build a theme in my bullet journal around it. I'm going to put all the links for the products that I tried and the ones that I'm using as a part of this storage solution down in the descriptions below. But more importantly, it's time to ask you a question. What are you using for your sticker storage solutions? Is it any of these items here or something close? Or have you found just the mecca of amazingness for sticker solutions? Let me know down in the comments below so the community can find out as well and continue to share the great things that we're finding online and just overall ways to make our lives feel better and more enjoyable and give us more time to focus on things like, bullet journaling, planning, and productivity. As always, I'll talk to you next time, friends. See ya.